Hey y'all, today is wood stacking and moving day, which happens every week, but we just got we used up all of our split wood. Now we had to buy some more wood. It's been a crazy winter already, and we need to get the wood stacked and then in the house and keep ourselves warm. So, as you can see, one of our roofs for our wood racks fell down. The corrugated metal fell down, so Haley's gonna have to go down. Fortunately, it fell where there's already a slide, and you can probably see that rope right there. I don't know if you can see how steep this is, guys, but it's almost like Haley's standing straight up when she slides down. You alright, babe?
Yeah.
Are you looking where you're even videoing? Push it up and I'll grab it.
I have to get under.
There's a bunch of ice and some water flowing there. Just hold it up like that. Yeah, push up. You gotta pull up a little bit more. I'm like a couple feet. Yeah, there you go. Got it. Hold up. Push up. Right, come on up. Jonas, watch where you're videoing.
Well, the thing, I can't see what I'm videoing. Oh, this thing's black. I made it. Well, take off your gloves and hat.
Somebody grab the GoPro. Don't pull that. Don't pull that.
I was gonna grab it.
It's gonna be awkward, but ready?
You're the only one doing it.
Why isn't anybody helping?
I don't know how to. Whee!
Hold on. Hold on.
Ow! I just banged my shit.
What happens when your mower is broken?
Your face is so red. Yeah, it's mine. Mom's and yours are both. Yours is red. No one's supposed to fail. Yours has like bumps on his face because it's so cold.
Hey guys, I know we don't have great light in here, but I wanted to show you a little bit of what we've been working on in the barn right here. All right, so we had a little issue with the battery. We tried to record everything that we did there. You could see us. We were, cutting out block and jackhammer and all that kind of stuff. But you guys haven't seen the finished product quite on there because I went to record it, and actually the GoPro said the battery was too cold to record. I thought, man, I never saw that before. Never knew that was a thing. So, ready? I know it's not. We don't have great light in here, but hey, buddy. Here's the finished product here. Hey, buddy. Hey, you. What's up? You can see, huh? You can see through? That's probably all smudged up now. Alright, let me go out there and show you from the other view if you have a little bit more light out there. So we basically we got this opening, not perfect, but we have now an opening and a door. We built that door, hung it, and we put an opening between the two stalls. So when we get Cookie, they'll be able to be together or separate, because we cut that hole in the brick and put that in there. So in the block, not brick. So right, buddy? I know. You just want to be out. Hey. All right. Well, you get some rest in there. We will see you in the morning. We'll see you in the morning. Okay.
Hey guys, hope you liked the video. I'm Jonas here from Cruz Family Homestead, and here's Haley and Tilly with the verse.
Hey y'all, it's Haley from Cruz Family Homestead with Tilly, and we are bringing to you this video's Bible verse. This video's verse is 1 John 2:9-10. Anyone who claims to be in the light but hates a brother or sister is still in the darkness. Anyone who loves their brother and sister lives in the light, and there is nothing in them to make them stumble.
Wow, thanks guys. And I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time.